Welcome back to the Giant Tech. Today, we're exploring powerful big chainsaw cutting tree machines in action. Get ready to witness impressive chainsaw technology and advanced logging equipment that revolutionizes forest management. These innovative machines are engineering at its finest. This Tier 4 compliant limber is engineered for high-efficiency logging while adhering to environmental standards. With powerful debranching capabilities, it quickly strips logs clean, preparing them for further processing or transport. The John Deere 2154D balances strength and eco-friendly operation, reducing emissions without compromising productivity. Whether working in dense forests or large-scale timber processing sites, this machine ensures smooth, high-speed performance for sustainable forestry operations. Heavy tree trunks are effortlessly sliced into uniform sections in just 2 swift motions. These blades perform a task no traditional axe could manage, turning large, solid chunks of wood into neatly cut logs within seconds. The precision and speed of this system make log splitting an efficient, effortless process, significantly reducing manual labor and saving valuable time in forestry work. This advanced timber stacker combines precision cutting and high-speed stacking to optimize log management. With a single motion, it expertly fells trees and neatly arranges them, saving time and reducing manual labor. Ideal for forestry operations that demand efficiency, this machine ensures that each log is handled with care and positioned for easy transport. Whether for commercial logging or industrial-scale timber processing, it boosts productivity and organization. Before the log has a chance to settle, it is gripped firmly as the machine efficiently strips away the bark, leaving behind a smooth, refined trunk. This process happens in perfect synchronization, ensuring each log is cleaned to perfection. With unmatched precision, it prepares wood for further processing, making it an essential tool for those working with raw timber. Built for tough forestry environments, the Rotten Forestry Assistant offers unmatched mobility and cutting precision. Its flexible telescopic boom and powerful cutting heads make tree removal and processing seamless even in difficult-to-reach areas. With a robust design and superior traction, this machine is perfect for logging sites where agility and reliability are essential. Whether used for thinning, selective cutting, or large-scale forestry work, the Rotten provides efficiency with every operation. A must-have for woodworking professionals, this machine peels bark off logs in seconds, leaving a flawless and uniform surface. Equipped with powerful blades and an automatic feeding system, it simplifies a time-consuming task into a seamless, efficient operation. By eliminating the need for manual stripping, it increases productivity, making wood preparation faster and significantly more effective. Carlton's professional-grade stump grinder turns stubborn stumps into fine wood mulch in seconds, Featuring a hydraulic-powered cutting mechanism and self-propelled controls, it efficiently grinds stumps down to soil level. The result is a clean, smooth landscape with enriched soil, making it ideal for land clearing and replanting projects. This machine is a go-to solution for landscapers and forestry workers needing reliable stump removal with minimal effort. This sawmill delivers unmatched power, effortlessly slicing through massive trunks to create precision-cut lumber, designed for efficiency. It quickly processes raw logs into large, usable sections with ease. Its high-speed cutting technology ensures smooth and consistent results, making it a valuable tool for sawmills and timber operations that demand fast, accurate processing. Engineered for efficiency, the high-power feller buncher integrates a high-performance engine with an advanced SAT cutting head. It quickly trims knots, fells trees, and processes logs with precision. Its automated controls streamline operations, reducing manual labor and increasing productivity. Designed for high-volume logging, this machine minimizes waste while maximizing yield. Whether used in forestry management or commercial timber production, it ensures quick and accurate processing, making large-scale logging operations smoother and more efficient. A dynamic combination for efficient lumber production, this setup ensures that logs are processed into precise, uniform boards. The SDH circular saw handles the initial cuts, breaking logs into manageable sections, while the VC multiple blade saw refines these sections into multiple pieces simultaneously. This seamless operation increases productivity, making it an ideal solution for high-volume wood processing. More than just a woodworking machine, the Master Wood CNC blends precision engineering with artistry. A single walnut log is transformed into an elegant table through a meticulous automated process. The machine makes precise cuts, ensuring the wood is shaped perfectly for further refinement. Ideal for furniture manufacturing, it delivers flawless results with minimal waste. By automating the cutting and shaping process, it saves time while maintaining exceptional craftsmanship, making it a must-have for professional woodworking operations. With just a chain attachment and a gentle press on the throttle, the Easy Lift stump remover pulls stumps out of the ground with minimal effort. Unlike traditional stump grinders, this method leaves the soil undisturbed, making it ideal for areas that require quick and clean land restoration. Whether for landscaping, farming, or forestry, this tool simplifies stump removal, reducing labor and machinery needs. This wood splitter model from Tajfun is the perfect solution for industrial firewood production. With a capacity of approximately 10 cubic meters per hour, it offers both reliability and ease of operation. Whether working autonomously on-site using a tractor PTO, or in a stationary setup with an electric or diesel drive, the Tajfun wood splitter adapts to your requirements. The feeding, unloading, and collecting systems, along with a thermostatically controlled oil cooler, ensure efficiency and durability in all conditions. Additionally, features like automatic wedge leveling, a parameter display, a chip removal fan, and a discharge conveyor make the process cleaner, more organized, and user-friendly. The M201 remote-controlled crawler by Bergman is engineered for unmatched versatility in difficult terrains. Whether used for agriculture, landscaping, winter maintenance, or industrial applications, this machine delivers exceptional performance. Its remote operation enhances safety by allowing users to handle tasks from a distance, reducing exposure to hazardous conditions. Designed for efficiency and durability, the M201 is a go-to solution for demanding environments where power, control, and adaptability are essential. Simply load the logs and the powerful cutting blades instantly reduce them to wood chips. This high-speed chipping process is both efficient and precise, making it ideal for producing mulch or biomass fuel. Designed for maximum output, it ensures that every piece of wood is utilized effectively, minimizing waste. Whether for landscaping, composting, or energy production, this machine delivers fast, consistent results. Turning raw logs into valuable material in seconds. Mounted on an excavator, the UN Forest Mulcher clears dense vegetation with the ease of a lawnmower slicing through grass. Its powerful cutting mechanism shreds trees, shrubs, and thick underbrush in a single pass, leaving the ground ready for large-scale clearing projects. This machine is perfect for land development, fire prevention, and forest management, offering high-speed efficiency in areas where manual clearing would be time-consuming. Its durability and precision make it indispensable for heavy-duty land maintenance tasks. The Hot Killer 1270 grubbing shears are designed for efficiently removing biomass from stumps, including both large roots and smaller tree remnants. This powerful attachment can be mounted on various machines, making it highly versatile. By pre-shredding stumps, it significantly reduces the volume of transported material, optimizing space and cutting costs. Additionally, these shears are ideal for further processing in recycling plants, where they help transform wood waste into reusable material. Built with high-quality steel, they offer durability, minimal wear, and low operating costs, making them a valuable addition to forestry and land clearing operations. Designed for powerful timber handling, this grapple securely clamps onto logs, ensuring controlled lifting and loading. Its hydraulic-powered steel fingers provide a firm grip, while the 360-degree rotation allows for smooth maneuverability. Whether working in sawmills, forestry sites, or transport yards, the grapple maximizes efficiency, making log handling faster and safer. With a staggering 1,100 horsepower diesel hybrid engine, this industrial chipper transforms logs into fine wood chips within seconds. The powerful feed system draws in whole trunks, quickly converting them into material ideal for mulch or biofuel production. Even under intense workloads, the hybrid powertrain ensures energy-efficient operation. This combination of speed, power, and sustainability makes it a valuable asset in large-scale forestry and biomass production, significantly enhancing productivity while optimizing energy use. The Firewood processor streamlines the task of cutting and splitting logs with its advanced design. One of its standout features is its ability to process up to 12 logs without requiring frequent knife adjustments. Equipped with a hydraulically adjustable splitting knife controlled via joystick, it automatically adapts to log diameter for precise cuts. This system enhances efficiency while reducing manual effort, making it an excellent solution for producing firewood at scale. Its combination of reliability, ease of use, and high output makes it an essential tool for professionals handling large firewood production. This robust sawmill is engineered to handle even the largest tree trunks with remarkable precision. Built for high-performance cutting, it seamlessly slices through dense wood, enhancing efficiency in forestry operations. Designed for durability, it delivers consistent and accurate cuts, making it an essential machine for large-scale logging and lumber production. Whether dealing with hardwood or softwood, this sawmill ensures smooth processing, allowing loggers to maximize their output while reducing time and labor costs. The mini loader splitter is a powerful firewood processor that quickly transforms logs into evenly cut pieces. Using a hydraulic splitting mechanism, it exerts immense force to split logs effortlessly, making firewood preparation faster and more efficient. Designed for versatility, it handles a variety of wood sizes with precision, ensuring consistently cut logs. Whether for commercial use or personal firewood production, this machine significantly reduces the time and effort required to process logs, offering both convenience and reliability. With a single precise motion, the Timber Pro felling saw slices through massive tree trunks, bringing them down in seconds. Engineered for strength and efficiency, this machine ensures clean and controlled cuts, minimizing damage to surrounding trees. The high-powered mechanism allows for rapid processing, increasing productivity in forestry operations. Whether working in dense forests or large-scale logging sites, this saw is designed to enhance efficiency, making felling quicker, safer, and more reliable. Perfect for precision woodworking, this advanced tilt saw can process logs up to 9.5 inches in diameter and 78.7 inches in length. Equipped with a 27.6-inch saw blade, it ensures smooth and accurate cuts with every use. A built-in conveyor system simplifies workflow, while the adjustable tilt feature ranging from 20 to 40 degrees enhances flexibility. With a ball-bearing safety lever and ergonomic release mechanism, it prioritizes both efficiency and safety. Ideal for professionals looking to optimize their cutting process while maintaining high-quality results. Designed for tackling even the largest logs, the TM1200 and TB900 splitters redefine efficiency. The TM1200 processes logs up to 47 inches in diameter, while the TB900 handles logs up to 35 inches. Together, they turn massive trees into neatly split wood with minimal effort. These machines make large-scale wood splitting fast and effortless, eliminating the strain of manual labor and boosting productivity in forestry operations. Designed for heavy-duty log splitting, the Avant horizontal cleaver makes processing firewood effortless. It features a powerful hydraulic cylinder that drives the blade through even the hardest wood with precision. Secure clamps hold logs in place, ensuring uniform and controlled splits. Whether dealing with dense hardwood or softwood, this machine efficiently transforms large logs into manageable pieces. Its combination of power, speed, and accuracy makes it an excellent tool for both firewood production and large-scale woodworking operations. This powerful cylinder milling machine is designed to turn rough logs into perfectly smooth wooden blanks. Its advanced rotor mechanism quickly removes bark while ensuring even and precise shaping. Each pass delivers a flawless surface, eliminating the need for additional finishing. Ideal for sawmills and woodworking shops, this machine increases efficiency by preparing wood for further processing with minimal effort. Whether shaping logs for furniture making or timber construction, it provides smooth, consistent results every time. Mounted on a John Deere 60 G-Wing boom, the TMK 300 tree shears provide unmatched precision in tree clearing. The pivoting boom enables effortless maneuverability, allowing the grapple to press tightly against fences and hard-to-reach areas. This setup makes clearing trees in confined spaces efficient and convenient. Whether for forestry maintenance or property clearing, the TMK 300 shears ensure rapid, controlled cuts, reducing manual labor while increasing safety and effectiveness in demanding work environments. The Raptor 200 by PTH is a powerful, compact forestry machine designed for land clearing and terrain management. Featuring a reinforced frame and an ergonomic cab, it excels in challenging environments, including steep slopes and soft terrain. Powered by a Cat C 4.4 engine, producing 190 horsepower, it delivers impressive performance while maintaining a curved weight of under 20,280 pounds for optimal maneuverability. When paired with the M450 attachments, it becomes an efficient tool for forestry, road maintenance, and vegetation control. Its high power-to-weight ratio ensures outstanding productivity in demanding conditions. This high-speed firewood processor efficiently converts large logs into firewood within seconds, Mounted on a compact loader, it enables on-site operation, eliminating the need for manual transport. The powerful hydraulic splitting system quickly processes even the toughest logs with minimal effort from the operator. Its fast and precise operation increases productivity, making it a valuable addition to firewood production. Whether for personal or commercial use, this machine ensures a seamless and time-saving firewood processing experience. Overgrown trees near railroads pose serious risks to trains and infrastructure, making vegetation management crucial. The Woodcracker T4000 telescopic platform and CS510 gimbal grapple offer precise cutting and removal of trees along tracks, ensuring safe railway operations. These advanced machines help professionals efficiently clear hazardous growth, minimizing disruptions to transport routes. Their robust design and high-performance capabilities make them essential tools for infrastructure maintenance and forestry management near transportation networks. The Root Tripper stump hook is a game-changer for land clearing, effortlessly uprooting tree stumps along with their roots. Its heavy-duty metal tooth penetrates deep into the ground, tearing through tough root systems with ease. This attachment not only removes stumps but also prepares land for replanting or further development. Whether for agriculture, landscaping, or forestry, it eliminates the hassle of manual stump removal, turning what was once a time-consuming process into a quick and efficient task. The hybrid cut wood chipper is an adaptable machine capable of handling both small branches and large tree trunks with ease. It features a unique dual-engine system, allowing users to switch between an economical electric motor for indoor operations and a powerful diesel engine for outdoor chipping. With a 14-ton feed hopper and an automated feed mechanism, it efficiently processes logs into fine wood chips, making it ideal for producing mulch, fuel, or raw materials for the paper industry. Its ability to adjust to different environments and workloads makes it an invaluable tool for forestry and landscaping professionals. Designed for demanding tree care applications, the Senebogen 728E features a powerful 30-ton boom and an 8.2-foot telescopic extension for superior reach. With a maximum working height of 69 feet, it handles tree-cutting tasks with remarkable precision. A wide 13.1-foot undercarriage and pneumatic tires ensure exceptional stability, even on uneven terrain. Despite its size, it remains easy to transport at just 9.8 feet wide, making it a practical choice for forestry operations requiring mobility, reach, and cutting power. This high-powered wood chipper rapidly converts short logs and wood chunks into fine chips with ease. Its automatic feed system ensures uninterrupted operation, maximizing efficiency. Built with a reinforced frame, it withstands even the heaviest workloads without compromising performance. Whether used for mulch production, biofuel processing, or wood recycling, this chipper delivers consistent results while reducing manual labor. Its powerful motor and precision-engineered blades make it a reliable choice for high-volume chipping operations. The Galatrax 800 is a powerhouse among mulchers, equipped with a 765 horsepower Caterpillar engine for large-scale vegetation clearing. Its self-propelled, crawler-mounted design ensures minimal soil disturbance, making it ideal for road construction, fire breaks, and land reclamation. The machine efficiently cuts through trees and logging residues while preserving natural soil conditions. With a compact build, FOPS protected cab, and superior maneuverability, the Galatrax 800 delivers unmatched performance in the toughest forestry environments. This mobile biomass processor is a high-performance solution for converting wood, roots, and shrub trimmings into valuable organic material. It begins by feeding biomass into a powerful auger hopper, where rotating hammers pulverize it to a consistent size. The refined material is then passed through a sieve, making it ready for composting, biogas production, or further refinement. As a mobile unit, it brings efficiency directly to the worksite, reducing transportation costs and maximizing sustainability. This processor is perfect for eco-conscious operations, looking to transform organic waste into renewable energy or soil-enriching compost. This powerful loader, equipped with an extended arm, effortlessly lifts and neatly stacks logs, optimizing timber transportation. Built for efficiency, it ensures smooth loading and unloading of even the heaviest loads. Whether used for logging operations or industrial wood processing, this machine provides a high level of control and precision. The durable construction and advanced hydraulic system enhance performance, making it a must-have for large-scale timber handling. The Westech Woodcracker W1000 revolutionizes logging efficiency, making wood processing faster and more cost-effective. Designed to attach to a mobile chipper, it handles trees up to 39 inches in diameter, rapidly converting them into wood chips. This system significantly reduces transportation and disposal costs while maximizing usable material. With its heavy-duty construction and rapid cutting capabilities, it is an excellent choice for logging companies focused on productivity and sustainability. Whether working in forests or land clearing projects, this attachment enhances both efficiency and environmental responsibility. Designed for digging up trees with deep taproots, the Dutchman 30 Degrees Tree Shovel is a versatile tool for forestry and landscaping. Available in multiple models, including the 420, it provides a digging range of 34 inches to 20 inches. Its enclosed bottom design minimizes soil loss, making it ideal for sandy terrain. Weighing approximately 1,450 pounds, It is compatible with small to medium-sized loaders. This robust shovel is essential for transplanting trees while ensuring root stability and minimal environmental disruption. The hydraulic branch trimmer is an efficient tool for managing overgrown trees and branches. Mounted on sidearms, it features a 27.5-inch circular saw that slices through branches with ease. Whether trimming trees along roads or clearing dense vegetation, this trimmer delivers precision and speed. Its ability to handle small trees adds to its versatility, making it a must-have for forestry maintenance and land clearing projects. The Mebor wood planer is an industrial-grade machine designed for precision wood processing. Featuring a spacious working table and a high-powered motor, it efficiently transforms rough logs into smooth, perfectly measured boards. The machine firmly secures the log before its powerful blades begin cutting, ensuring millimetric precision throughout the process. Whether working with hardwood or softwood, it delivers consistent, high-quality results. Ideal for sawmills, furniture production, and large-scale woodworking, this machine simplifies lumber preparation, offering both accuracy and efficiency in every cut. The Rotochopper B66L is a high-performance grinder designed to process materials into fine wood particles with precision. Equipped with a powerful rotor and sharp tines, it can shred railroad ties, logs, and other wood waste efficiently. This machine is perfect for biomass processing, mulch production, and recycling, ensuring uniform particle sizes for various applications. Its ability to handle tough materials makes it a key player in large-scale wood waste management. The Rotten H8 is a top-tier harvester known for its precision, power, and efficiency. Engineered by Rotten, a leading manufacturer in forestry machinery. This model integrates state-of-the-art technology for seamless tree felling, delimbing, and log processing. Its hydraulic arms and advanced grippers securely handle logs, ensuring smooth and rapid processing with minimal downtime. Designed for maximum productivity, the H8 enhances logging operations by reducing labor intensity while maintaining high-speed performance. Whether working in dense forests or large-scale timber projects, this harvester sets a new standard for modern forestry equipment. The RCA 480 Joy and Joy Plus by Tajfun are among the most efficient firewood processing machines available. Engineered for forestry operations, they quickly convert logs into split firewood while maintaining energy efficiency. These machines transition seamlessly from transport mode to operational mode, reducing downtime. Their compact yet sturdy design ensures durability, while user-friendly controls make operation simple. Whether for small-scale firewood production or large forestry projects, these models deliver high output and reliability, making them essential tools for professionals looking to streamline wood processing. When working at extreme heights, the Extend Reach tree cutter delivers unmatched cutting efficiency. Its extendable boom reaches high into tree canopies, ensuring precise branch and trunk removal. The machine's ergonomic controls and maneuverability enhance safety, allowing for accurate cutting while maintaining operator stability. Whether used in urban forestry or large-scale land clearing, this cutter makes high-reach trimming a smooth and controlled operation.
Are you good?
The VersaTac 3 log splitter is designed for effortless wood processing, making firewood preparation quick and efficient. When attached to the Avant Mini loader, it splits logs with a force of 7.6 tons, handling pieces up to 26 inches long and 12 inches in diameter. It includes a 4-way splitting wedge for cutting logs into 2 or 4 sections, with an optional 6-way wedge for greater efficiency. The wedge height is manually adjustable, with an optional hydraulic adjustment available for even more convenience. Ideal for homeowners and professionals, it ensures seamless log splitting with minimal effort. The Scania R540 timber truck is built for power and efficiency in the logging industry. Equipped with a 540 horsepower engine and 2,700 foot-pounds of torque, it easily transports heavy timber loads across rough terrains. Its blue Palfinger Epsilon's 270L crane, offering a working movement of 242 kilonewton meters and a 385-degree rotation, makes loading and unloading seamless. With a sturdy wooden body by Farrick Baukramer, this truck ensures both durability and precision, making it a top choice for forestry transport. Designed for efficiency, the Precision Trench 300 is a high-performance trenching machine capable of digging up to 4 feet deep and 12 inches wide. Its rotary digging mechanism uses powerful rotating blades to slice through soil, neatly depositing excavated material to the side. The operator can adjust the trenching depth and width, allowing for precise customization based on project needs. Whether for irrigation, utility installation, or construction, this machine ensures clean and consistent trenching while significantly reducing manual labor. Its robust design makes it ideal for heavy-duty applications in various terrains. If you're fascinated by engineering breakthroughs and powerful machinery, hit that subscribe button. Join the Giant Tech as we unveil the most incredible industrial equipment and game-changing technologies shaping tomorrow's world.